So welcome back to Lesson 5. Hope you're enjoying playing the guitar. First thing we're going to do today is review one of our favorite songs. So let's do The Wheels on the Bus. 1, 2, ready, play.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long.
Now the staff is divided up into lines and spaces. The lines are E, G, B, D, and F, starting at the bottom going up. And a way to remember that is every good boy deserves fudge. And you take the first letter of each word and you end up with E, G, B, D, F. Now the spaces are the places in between the lines, and they spell the word face, F-A-C-E. F-A-C-E is the spaces, E, G, B, D, F are the lines. We also learned the notes on the first string of the guitar, and they are E, F, and G. Today we're going to learn the notes on the second string, B, C, and D. So on the second string, playing open is a B. Just play the second string. You don't want to hear both, just one string. If you put your finger on the second string in the first fret, there's a C. If you put your finger on the third fret on the second string, that's a D. So now you have a B, C, and a D. So let's try the examples. Okay, to play this one, we just play quarter notes and half notes and a quarter rest in here. And we play the notes on the second string, just the second string, and we play it open. So we're not going to put any fingers on it. So just play the second string without any fingers on it and count. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, rest, 3, 4. Let's play it without me counting out loud. Ready, go. Okay, this is the note B. You play the second string open, no fingers on it, just the second string. And this pattern is in 3/4 times. So instead of counting to 4, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Now let's try it without me counting out loud. 1, 2, 3, ready, and play. All right, this is the note C, and we have quarter notes and eighth notes. On eighth notes, we're going to go down and up. So on the end, you're going to go and. You're going to go up on an and. So every time it says and, you're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, just like what we did with the strums. But this time we're just going to play the second string with the first fret, your finger in the first fret, playing a C. So let's try it. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now let's try it once without counting. 1, 2, ready, go. Here are some different rhythms on the note D. Our D is in the third fret of the second string. So get your finger there and let's get ready to count. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. This one starts on a D, goes to a C, goes to a B, and we play quarter notes on each of them. The hard part is switching between. Let's try it. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again without me counting. 1, 2, ready, go. And this pattern has a B, a D, a C, and it's just in 4/4 times. So you would count 1, 2, 3, 4, and it would be played like this. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Without me counting, sounds like this. All right, so this one combines 3/4 time, eighth notes, and a B, a C, and a D note. Here's your B, here's your C, here's your D. So let's try it. At 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 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 3. Without me counting, sounds like this. So we know quite a few chords now. We know a C, we know a G, we know a G7, and we also learned an F. So with those chords, we have several songs we can play. Let's try a song called Pop Goes the Weasel. Here's the song Pop Goes the Weasel. It has a C and a G. The only tricky part is it's in 3/4 time. But as we remember from our last lesson, 3/4 time means that you're going to count to 3 each measure. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, you're going to count 1, 2, 3 in each measure. So let's try Pop Goes the Weasel. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
A penny for a spool of thread, a penny for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
With our C, G, G7, and F, we can also do a song called He's Got the Whole World in His Hands. So let's try He's Got the Whole World in His Hands. 1, 2, ready, play.
He's got the whole world in his hands. 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 He's got you and me, brother, in his hands. He's got you and me, sister, in his hands. He's got you and me, brother, in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands.
So our new chord is a D chord. And to play a D, we're going to play the top 4 strings. We're going to leave off the A and the E. But we are going to put our first finger in the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, our 2nd finger in the 2nd fret on the 1st string, our 3rd finger in the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. And we get a nice D like that. Try to play the top 4 strings. You can get the top 5, but you don't want to get this one in. It doesn't really fit. So there is our D chord. D goes really well with G, C, G, D. Real common chord progression. And now you'll be able to play songs that are in the key of G. So it goes G to D, back to G, to C, back to G, back to D, and back to G. So let's practice that a little bit. Start with a D chord. Let's play 8th notes on a D chord. 1 and 2 and ready, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then let's switch to a G. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Back to a D. And 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now let's do that together without stopping in between. Ready? And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 This is just like all the other new chords we had to learn. You have to get the muscle memory happening, and then your fingers will just naturally go there, and pretty soon you'll be able to play. And it won't feel like there's anything to it. We know a G chord, we know a D chord, and we know a C chord. And that's the chords that you need for the song Yankee Doodle. So let's try Yankee Doodle. 1, 2, ready, go.
Yankee Doodle went to town, riding on a pony. He stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. Yankee Doodle gave it out, Yankee Doodle dandy. Learned the music and the step and left the girls behind me.
I'd like to take just a moment and remind you of how important it is to keep practicing old songs that you already know. I always am including them in the lessons just to remind you, but you don't have to play just the ones that I tell you. You can always look back and play any song that you want. Or if there's a song that you've heard someone else play that sounds like fun, look it up on the internet. You'd be surprised. You know enough chords now, you might be able to play it. Let's review Old Texas. 1, 2, ready, and
I'm going to leave old Texas now. They've got no use for the homeward bound. They've gone and danced my cattle away, and the people there are all so strange. I'll take my horse, I'll take my roan, and take a
so let's review Happy Birthday. The first thing you'll notice that it is in 3/4 time. You have to count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 instead of 1, 2, 3, 4. You also have a C, a G7, and an F chord. And on the F chord, you also have a thing called a fermata, or a hold. So when you get to there, you wait before you go on. So let's try Happy Birthday. 1, 2, 3, rest.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
That's about all I have for you today. Hope you had a good time. I know I did, because it's always a good time when I'm playing guitar.